Come on, let's do this thing.
Go open the box. Well, open the box.
Don't.
You guys hurt my.
I said open the box. Don't hurt. Don't fight over it.
Ribbit.
Okay, hold on. Open it and then let me get in it.
Jada's gonna rip it open, huh?
You know that. Okay. No. Open that side right there. Take the tape off. And then let me get into it so I can. I knew y'all was gonna do that. Move. Move.
Millie, stop.
Move.
Hey!
Anna, can you wait a second, please?
I bet it's closed. I bet it's not.
Okay.
Y'all try to find out what it is, huh?
Yep. Alright, hold on. Move.
Something.
That's a lot of wrapping up in there. Maybe it's all paper wrapping.
Dang.
Wow. Get that last one.
Ooh, look, Hot and M. Y'all remember Hot and M?
No.
So wait. Put it down. Do you remember the Hot and M? In Germany, it's a store in Germany. Ooh, I don't think this is anything for y'all. See what that is? Hold up, Tom out, Melina, wait. Hey, girl.
The thing I have for my drum set. And it's wait,
Okay, hold on. Y'all so quick, y'all grab stuff. Okay, now this one's for me. Thank you, Nina. I got this one. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. Oh, these fill out. See, Melina, that's what I said. Hold on, wait. Okay.
I got these last ones.
Wait.
And some bells. Oh, that's cool.
That's
what
cool.
What is this thing? Cool.
Would you wait? Ooh, look at this.
Who's that for?
Her first Bible.
Can I see it?
I'm trying to find the name.
We got one of the baby's books. What is
Wait, Jada Marie. Okay. This is Mary Anna from Uncle Kevin and Aunt Nina and Pharrell. Look, Anna. Okay. This one is.
for me?
Okay, hold on. Okay, this one is for. Ooh. That's for Ethan.
You put them on your cool. He's like, I put it on cool.
And this one is for Mariana.
Let's see. It's Hello Kitty.
Turn it around.
It's Kitty.
Turn it around.
You got Hello Kitty.
Awesome. Who is that?
You like it?
It's Hello Kitty.
Okay.
Cars, right?
Okay, and this is for Melina.
Yes! Hello Kitty too! Well, we say something. Look, I get the same thing. Have I got anything yet? Can I see something?
Don't start that. Okay.
Same thing as Christmas. The shirt.
You better hush.
The shirt. White cheddar.
That's the organic. Remember the pasta noodles? Aunt Nina bought. Okay, give me the other two. The other bag.
Whoa! You can cook this?
Wow.
Don't take the books out yet, please.
I have to say you guys jelly beans. I have to say something.
That's Jada.
Finally, I have to say
Don't be so
something.
ungrateful, little girl.
And
I'm
she.
not ungrateful.
That looks so nice. That is so nice. And it's German.
Why do we
Unless
have to
usually
have the
it's
same
German.
I have something to say. Why do we have to have the same thing? I have something to say.
You don't. Give that to your sister.
I said I have something to say.
Dad,
they're both the same.
Well, give yours to her.
I have something to say.
Yes, what do you have to say here?
Thank you. It says, the shirt says, I know we have a clothes. Stop interrupting me. Such a blames.
Look.
The shirt says,
Jelly beans.
Wait,
let Ethan finish. Let Ethan finish. Stop digging in the bag. Go ahead and finish, Ethan.
The shirt says, if you can't handle the speed, stay in the garage.
Turn it around, Ethan.
I thought it was Kieran.
You like that?
Stay in the garage. Ooh.
I was just about to say Karen.
I like that shirt, Ethan.
And no one.
That's a nice shirt, Ethan.
Oh, guess what?
Can mommy wear your shirt? In the Disney store. Cool.
Look through it. I wanna learn speed.
Well, you got a speed shirt, so you're on your way. Ooh. That's very licorice. I like that.
This is yours, Ethan. That's yours.
I might have to break open this tonight.
See, Ethan.
Pomegranate white tea. Yep. I'm gonna have this one tonight too. Thank you, sis. I appreciate you.
Mom, this is for me.
Teriyaki sauce. Look, we can marinate the meat with that.
This is for me. Mom, this is for me.
Here, don't kiss it.
This is for me.
Huh?
This is for me.
You like that? Look, Daddy.
To eat
You want one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Not tonight. Not tonight. And look at that.
Yeah.
Ow.
Now I'm gonna open. Thank you.
Give that shirt back.
Put that down. I do not want your shirts to get messed up. Please.
That means keep it in that box.
No, that means go put it up in your room right now. I just said I don't want to get messed up, little thing.
Oh, I have
And did y'all read these things?
Yeah.
This is the reason for the season. Well, how come the younger ones are the only ones that get excited? Ooh,
That's because me and Shalice only got clothes.
Ooh, I like. Ooh.
What's the matter with you?
You know what? I'm punching your face.
You have a watch. A green watch.
But I don't have one like this. What I do now.
You have a watch that looks better than that.
Like Daddy? Hold on. I like.
Well, you can wear
I now I have one I can really wear to church. And you know what? Get this. It'll match with everything I wear in church.
Like black and white.
And that's with everything I have.
Green and gold.
Thank you, sis. I love you very much. Thank you. Yes. Down when you touch it. Yes.
She could have got you a bracelet and some charms.
Yes, sister.
Daddy, can I get a
watch? Bless you too. I appreciate this so much. Yes. Now, I'm going to make my
Can we eat our jelly beans?
Break open.
What is that?
I don't know if I'm going to share this with y'all.
Come on. What is that? What's that?
You know what? This is organic.
Come on.
You got to upload this on YouTube in the room.
Yama. Give me one, please. Give me one.
You know, natural licorice.
All right, everybody say thank you.
Thank you.
Yama.